a heartfelt show of support for frontline healthcare workers, Senabu Lendur, founder of the Human Genetic Awareness Association, on Tuesday, 7 July, donated 180 uniforms to the Regional Health Directorate in a heartfelt show of support for frontline healthcare workers. Senabu Lendur, founder of the Human Genetic Awareness Association, on Tuesday, 7 July, donated 180 uniforms to the Regional Health Directorate of Western One. The gesture, which took place during a brief ceremony at the Directorate's office, highlights a growing movement of community-led support for healthcare sector. The uniforms are expected to benefit dozens of healthcare personnel working in various public health facilities under the Western One jurisdiction. While modest in material value, the donation carries a deep symbolic significance, drawing attention to the daily challenges faced by healthcare workers and the importance of community solidarity. Speaking at the presentation, Senabu Lendur expressed her appreciation for the tireless efforts of healthcare professionals across the country, especially those at the community level. She noted that the donation was small but meaningful way to boost morale and show gratitude to those who serve on the front lines of public health.
They are the ones that drag everything together. Even if there are certain things that they might not be able to explain, but they can see it and they can always be referenced. And at the end of the day, they are the ones that have interaction with the people. So this is just one step. I believe there will be many more events like this where we can exchange not only uniforms, but ideas, whether it's lessons, methods, courses, because
Regional Health Directorate Musa Kamara welcomed the donation, describing as timely and deeply encouraging. He noted that such contributions go a long way in complementing the government's effort to build a sustainable healthcare system.
Yeah. So this will go a long way towards, as we said earlier on in our speech and our comments, that it will complement the efforts of government, where government is supposed to chip in. If an individual or an organization step in to bridge that gap, it goes a long way towards uplifting the socio-economic development of the country.
Speaking on behalf of the beneficiary, Mafuji Fatajo, Regional Principal Public Health Officer, acknowledged the growing role of civil society and individual sectors like Ndur in strengthening healthcare system. He commended the donor for her generosity and dedication.
This is here to complement the effort of the government. Yes, as previous speakers rightly mentioned. So we are very, very grateful for the very thoughtful and generous donation. So we are grateful on behalf of my staffs, my staffs and other core health facilities. We are sending our very grateful and then, heartfelt appreciation for this generous donation.
The Human Genetic Awareness Association, under Nura's leadership, continues to champion awareness around genetic disorder and advocate for better healthcare outcomes, primarily through education and community outreach. Though centered on uniforms, this donation is a reminder of a broader truth. Everyone has a role to play in supporting public health, from policymakers to civil society leaders to private citizens. For TFN News, I am Anu Jalo.